What's up, everybody? It's Clarke here at Johnston RV Center in Decatur and Cullman, Alabama. Today we're going to check out a fifth wheel from Rockwood that focuses on the living space for you, your friends, and your family to have somewhere to sit down, socialize, watch the ball game, and have a good time. First, let's check out the outside. So on the outside, it's going to be a real nice, sleek design, new updated colors, and then of course you've got your gorgeous frameless windows. Those mean less maintenance for you and hopefully less chance of leaks. You do get a nice pass-through storage compartment, and then what Rockwood has added are these friction hinges that's going to keep the door from slamming open if the wind's blowing real hard. And then also on your Rockwoods, when you buy from here at Johnston RV Center, we order them with slide toppers already installed. You're buying a luxury product, you should get the luxury features to go with it. Of course, you can't put one right there because of how the awning is located, but it's going to be a-okay. You do get your nice, sleek, extended handrail. It helps getting in the camper be a little bit easier. You are going to have a 6-point auto level system on this, so that's really nice to see. This unit's just right at 40 feet, so some brands at that length aren't going to do a 6-point, they're only going to do a 4-point, so this is going to be more stable. You have a 2-inch receiver hitch on the side of the camper, which is good for like accessories, so like outdoor TV, a shelf, a grill. You can put multiple things right there. In here, you've got some storage, so whatever you put there, you can be able to store right beside it. You don't have to carry it around the camper. Outdoor hot and cold water, good for, washing your hands, washing the dog. If you like to fish and you're cleaning fish to get them ready to cook, you can do that right here. Rockwood is still doing the roof mounted ladder. A lot of people like that, so you can get up there on the roof, check your seals yourself. You do get the 2-inch receiver hitch, rated for 300-pound hitch weight, also 3,000-pound tow rating. So that's really cool. In some states you can triple tow, but just be careful and be smart while doing that. Over on this side, you will have some really nice outdoor storage underneath your master bed. And if you come here and look at this, this is something that Rockwood's been doing for a while. You get welded aluminum bed frames. Everyone else is going to be doing, 2x2 stapled together. So this is going to be really sturdy and last a very long time. You do get Goodyear tires on your Rockwood fifth wheels, so they're good for about a year. It's in the name. No, I'm just kidding. Those are good for 87 miles per hour. One of the best tires you can put on a fifth wheel or travel trailer in this day and age. Something Rockwood does a little different. They're not doing the tankless water heater like everybody else. They are giving you the larger gas electric water heater. You're going to have a tank, but it's electric or gas, so you're not going to be burning your propane if you don't want to. You can use your campground's electricity. Big fan of that. Old, trusty, reliable, hard to be mad. Other side of your pass-through compartment, you do have your controls for your auto level, more outdoor hot and cold water hookups, and then your black tank flush, your city water hookup, and your tank fills. So really well thought out design. Well, let's go check out the inside. Here we are inside of the Rockwood 402 FSL. This is their front living floor plan, brand new layout from them. They expanded to where they got into the 40-foot segment of fifth wheels, so it really opened them up to do floor plans like this and some other real popular ones. In this model, you do have the power recliners up here on the front. This one is going to be manual in the middle, and then you do have your 2 sofas on the side that do convert into beds. Nice window behind you. We got the blind down right now. But one of my favorite parts about this floor plan is the 80-inch ceiling height up here in the living room. So if you're a little bit taller, you're not going to have any issues, ducking or having to get around stuff. You do have your own air conditioner up here in the living room. This unit is equipped with 3, so 1 in the living, 1 in the kitchen, and 1 in the bedroom. You do have your nice open area right here. You can talk to people if they're in the living room, but you do have your TV on the televator, and below that you will have your fireplace. It changes colors. It's a good source of heat, and you're not having to burn your propane. So yeah, speed this up for me. And back down. Into the kitchen, plenty of counter space, which you don't see too often in front living models. You've got somewhere for your trash can. Hats off to Rockwood, it's actually a real trash can. You do have storage for bags, and then you do have a built-in cutting board. You pull it off, dump it. Very well thought out. Residential size fridge with the ice maker in the freezer. Nice larger oven, 3-burner cooktop, residential microwave. Then over here, you've got this nice spot for your coffee maker, crock pot, or if it's my house, it's just a catch-all where we throw all of our junk. But hopefully that's not you. A little bit more storage over here, somewhere, to put your boxes of pasta, your canned goods, that kind of stuff. In the slide out, you will have your table, and this can pivot to where you have different arrangements for what you're doing that day and time. But let's go check out the bathroom and the bedroom. So in the bathroom of this model, there should be no issues with taking a shower. This ceiling is nearly 8 foot tall, so if you're really tall, you're good. Nice shower head, fiberglass shower with the bench in it, porcelain throne, big old fart fan, good counter space, good storage underneath, and then of course you have your medicine cabinet and mirror as well. All right, so back here in the back of the camper, you do have your bedroom. You get the nice RV King, storage above, nice reading lights, storage back here on this back wall. And then over on this side, you will have your wardrobe. This is going to be prepped for a combo washer and dryer. And then you're also going to have hanging storage here and then storage down low. This unit is equipped with a TV already in the bedroom, so that's a really nice feature. Now, this is a really great front living floor plan. 40 feet, not the big 45-foot monsters. Definitely worth taking a look at if you're in the market for something like this.